What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. This is the Amazfit. Yes, Amazfit. This is Amazfit Verge Lite. I was looking for a smartwatch. It technically is a smartwatch, but you can install apps. But I really wonder why anyone need any apps. I want my heart monitor. I need the basic notification, basic stuff. Again, this is a AMOLED version with the GPS. So I'll be throwing the link in the description box. Plus, you know, my opinion is always like very critical. No one pay me, even no one send me. No one even care me. I exist. Of course you don't know. So let's do it. I know a lot of fake review out there. Get stuff for free. Praise it. I never do. Everything I buy it from my own money. This watch I bought it for my sister. I'm going to give her a gift, but I'm going to review it also. First I just want to do the unboxing. So okay, the box is quite good. Let me show you from the back. As you can see, okay, AMOLED, GPS, heart rate, multi-spot tracking, notification, long lasting battery. The box is quite good. Okay, there is a charger. Let me check out charger. Okay, there is a manual, nothing else. I don't want my light to go away again. Load shedding is going to happen. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's like how much? I don't know the size. I think it's 1.39, something like that. Okay, let me put everything aside. Okay, everything went aside. Let me just connect with the charger first. How you connect? Okay, you need to connect like this. Okay, awesome. Let's see if there any juice left. Okay, this is just a screen. Okay, so there's nothing, just a charger and a manual, that's all. So how is the white color looking? You need to be the judge. Open me fit to bind. What is this? Okay, I don't know what they're talking about. Let's see. So let me just install the app. Okay, me fit, okay, something like that. Let's install this app. Okay, and just put on my wrist. Come on. Normally I use a Casio watch anyway, different time I took. So yeah, so the first impression is the watch is quite tiny. Yeah, it's a very tiny watch. I will be making a comparison with my Casio watch. Okay, come on, it's taking too long. Let me just put it like I don't want to scratch the camera because I'm not using any cover. I mean, the white color is not that pure white. It have a little bit tint of blue in this white. I don't know how to say. So overall, it's quite good. Maybe I can use like this. Yeah. And I mean, I'm traveling. Oh no! What's that? Okay. Now let the is installed. Let me just open it. Okay, what does it? Open the Mi Fit to bind. So let me just connect, okay, and then that's enough for the unboxing. I will make an in-depth review few days later. Bye.